Shout out to Aunt Melissa, who was dealing granola on the commune. Shout out, Aunt Melissa. Welcome to Flaky Biscuit. It's your boy. I'm on the road right now, but that is not stopping me from getting y'all this recipe video. We are making Aunt Melissa's granola from the Zoë François episode. Make sure you peep the episode because it's actually really dope, man. We get to learn a lot about Zoë, about how she grew up, and why this meal is so nostalgic for her. I'll tell you one thing right now, spoiler alert, when I made this for Zoë, there were some issues.
But it does specify amounts, and I noticed that
listen,
must have.
it specifies amounts, but that would require me to utilize teaspoons and cups.
There are so many things you are not doing.
And you would think there wouldn't be because it's very simple, right? But check out the episode, it's pretty funny. In any case, let's jump into this recipe. You can find it on Shondaland.com. You can also find it in her book, Artisan Bread in 5 minutes a day. So to make Aunt Melissa's granola, we have a bunch of oats, like a bunch of them. Shredded coconut, unsweetened, all right, because we're gonna be sweetening this granola. We've got some sunflower seeds, we've got some pumpkin seeds, we've got some walnuts. You can use any nut in the recipe. It says you can get kind of creative with it. We've got some dry fruit. I'm using raisins and dried cherries, but again, get some apricots in there, get whatever it is that you want in there. It'll be great. And for our binding, we're using honey, maple syrup, a little vanilla extract. We've also got some salt and some cinnamon in here. So very simple. We're gonna get started by tossing together our dry ingredients. Ooh, the sunlight's hitting kind of nice right now. Look at that. All right. We're gonna add our honey, maple syrup, vanilla extract mixture. All right, we're going right in. All right, and we're gonna mix this all together. I'm gonna tell you something right now, this looks too dry. Why does it look so dry? Why can't I make granola? Let me pull up this recipe on Bread in 5 from her cookbook. Oh, and yeah, the oil, whoops. Okay, so we're also adding a 1/3 cup canola oil. It doesn't feel right. It said 4 cups of oats. We're gonna make some adjustments on the fly here. We're just adding a touch more of the maple syrup here to make sure we're binded. All right, this is looking nice now. I got a little more maple syrup in there. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And we're gonna bake this now on this sheet pan, excluding the dry fruit. This is gonna get tossed into the granola after it's baked, okay? So we're gonna get this onto the sheet pan and we're gonna get this into the oven. It does smell incredible. The cool thing about granola is that, talking about something healthy, something quick, just gonna flatten it out a little bit. Came out great today. We'll see how I do in the oven because there were some technical issues when Zoë was in my kitchen. It was kind of unfortunate because Zoe's an exceptional baker, and I was trying to impress Zoë, and I did not. All right, so that's going in. The oven's at 350. We're gonna set a timer for, the oven's not on. All right, we're popping into the oven now. It's finally preheated. See y'all in 30 minutes. I'll be honest with you, when I made it for Zoë, it was the first time I ever made granola. I've never made it before in my life. So, I might have burnt it.
Had this not taken on this black patina.
Yeah.
It would be delicious. It really would.
We about to stir this granola. It's very important to stir the granola. So come on, let me show you how I do that. You know what I mean? Our granola here. I'm just gonna give it a little stir. Maybe it's premature, but I'm not trying to burn it again. All right, I'm on top of the bake. I'm watching it like hawk. I am not burning this granola. All right, y'all, the granola is done. I'm really excited about this because I didn't burn it this time. So let's check it out. Look at this beautiful color. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Nice, beautiful browning. We're gonna let our granola cool, all right? I think that's an important step. Letting it cool, letting it solidify, and then we're gonna crumble it up and I'll show you some fun ways to use it. All right, we could hit it like cereal. We could put it in yogurt. We could just eat it. It is what it is. Letting it cool, you already know. All right, granola has cooled, and I'm really excited for y'all to see this. All right, I'm just gonna kind of pop it out. You can hear the crisp, crisp, nice color on the bottom. Our granola is looking excellent. All right, you could tell the bake was nice on it. Oh. All right, we're gonna take a little bite of it. Oh, let me tell you, the texture is phenomenal. Crispy, crunchy, beautiful bake, not burnt, nice flavoring. And what we can do is we could take it and we can just kind of get it into a bowl here. This can just sit around the house, you know what I'm saying? We can hit this up with some milk for breakfast, you know what I mean? This is nice and healthy, and we can use this for just about any application. We could put it in a pie or on top of a pie, or
Ice cream?
we could put it on ice cream, inside of ice cream. We could do, you know what I'm saying? We could, listen, we could put it inside alfajores with dulce de leche. Man, I'm telling you, this is very healthy, very delicious, and I can see why Zoe's nostalgic meal is this granola, because I could see this becoming very addicting. I'm gonna just leave this on the counter, and I'm gonna see how long it takes for me to, every time I walk by, oh, hey, real talk, come get some. It's great. This is my brother Glenn. Hello there, I'm Glenn. I'm out here on the road, stop by my brother's house to bang out some granola, you know what I'm saying, to make this beautiful recipe video for y'all. This the do right here, this, hey, I mean, it's good, you know what I mean? Like, it's crisp, crunch, crack-a-lack. Should we hit this with a little milk? Like a little cornflakes real quick? Watch. Yep, I see, yep, I already seen them. I already seen them. Oh, shoot. Making a little mess. Get the milk in. Yeah, this is gonna slap. You want like that?
A little more.
Oof. How's that?
That's good.
That's it. You want that recipe?
Yeah.
So you got all the ingredients here.
Where can I find the recipe at?
You can find a recipe on Shondaland.com as well as in Zoe's cookbook, Artisan Bread in 5 Minutes a Day. I'm gonna be making this granola nonstop. Shout out Aunt Melissa, shout out Zoe. Morpheus trying to get down with something.